There's accident damage and there's accident damage. Often it isn't actually structural damage. More and more these days, it's just cosmetic, and this shift has major implications for you. With cosmetic damage, you're only working on a limited area of the car. That means fewer components with less severe damage. And there's less to take apart, and you don't need to weld or realign. So the repair time is faster. Structural and cosmetic repairs are actually completely separate activities. AkzoNobel's pioneering products and advice and services can help your business succeed by adapting to market shifts. Obviously, your customer wants a perfect repair, and you want the work to be profitable. So what would happen if your body shop separated cosmetic and structural repairs and worked with two different processes? A traditional workflow demands a full team for structural repairs, fitters, panel beaters, and sprayers. Instead, imagine technical specialists, for example, working in several different places on different activities, alongside specialists for cosmetic repairs, who themselves can take apart, repair, and spray as necessary, all in one location, reducing the amount of time lost by moving cars around and waiting, one process after another, until the job is complete. This can be approached in various ways: by a technician undertaking all cosmetic repairs at their own station, or with a movable spray booth, or with a team of technicians working to repair cosmetic damage in a separate area of the workshop. Here's how it works. With a fast-track repair station, a technician can quickly undertake all the work alone: dent removal, part removal, assembly, sanding, filling and spraying, all at the same station. 2, sometimes 3 cars in a single day. That's very different to the usual turnaround time for structural repairs. Fast-track repair move is based on vehicles and technicians remaining in the same place. Only the booth moves via a rail to the place where it is needed, for example, for dust-free spraying. The booth moves from car to car, so everyone in the workshop can continue their work uninterrupted. There are many ways to create a better process that's controlled, fast, and efficient. With Fast Track Repair Team, everyone can work together. A team of specialists focuses on cosmetic repairs in a specially dedicated area, and every team member has their own task in the process, giving maximum consistency and quality with fewer disruptions. The Fast Track Repair concept makes it possible for one organization to work at 2 speeds, for structural and cosmetic damage, catering both for processes that may take a few days, as well as jobs that need to be completed the same day. It ensures that margins aren't eroded by costs like hire cars or moving people or vehicles around unnecessarily. Customers enjoy faster repairs, as do insurers, and technicians benefit from a workshop environment that's calm and controlled. Fast Track Repair concepts offer advantages for everyone. Let us show you how it works.